The powerful health benefits of eating garlic at night. Have you ever imagined that something sitting quietly in your kitchen, something as simple as a clove of garlic, could transform your health overnight? What if I told you this tiny powerhouse could lower your blood pressure, boost your immunity, detox your body, and even improve your sleep, all while you dream? In today's video, we're diving into the ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science behind eating garlic at night. Should it be raw or cooked? How much is too much? And why are millions of people making garlic their bedtime ritual? From surprising heart benefits to hormone-boosting effects, you're about to discover why garlic isn't just food, it's nighttime medicine. Stay with us because by the end, you'll want to keep a clove of garlic closer than your nightlight. Let's unlock the secrets. Garlic and gut immunity. Your inner defense starts in the gut. We often think of immunity as something that happens in our bloodstream, but did you know over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? That's why garlic is such a game changer. It's not just a spice, it's a prebiotic-rich immune-boosting powerhouse. Compounds like fructooligosaccharides in garlic feed the beneficial bacteria in your intestines, helping to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A well-balanced microbiome means your immune cells can do their job, fighting off viruses, infections, and even chronic inflammation. A 2021 study published in Nutrients revealed that regular garlic consumption enhances the activity of intestinal macrophages and improves gut barrier integrity, essential for keeping pathogens out and nutrients in. Eating garlic at night gives these processes uninterrupted time to work, while your digestive system is calm and undistracted. Its antimicrobial effects also help clear out harmful gut bacteria that disrupt digestion, immunity, and mental clarity. Think of garlic as your gut's night watchman, nourishing the good bacteria, eliminating the bad, and giving your immune system the perfect head start by morning. Garlic and anti-aging, slowing down time from the inside out. Wrinkles, fatigue, brain fog, aging creeps in silently. But what if one of the most powerful anti-aging remedies wasn't in a fancy serum or supplement, but sitting in your kitchen? Garlic is loaded with potent antioxidants that fight the very thing that accelerates aging, oxidative stress. Every day, your body is exposed to environmental toxins, poor food choices, and internal inflammation, all of which damage cells and speed up the aging process. Garlic steps in like a biological shield, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your cells from early breakdown. Compounds like S-allylcysteine and diallyl disulfide not only reduce inflammation but also promote the repair of damaged DNA. Garlic supports your genetic health too. A 2021 review in Antioxidants Journal emphasized garlic's ability to boost the body's own antioxidant enzymes, like glutathione and superoxide dismutase, both of which play critical roles in longevity and resilience against age-related diseases. And here's where nighttime consumption shines. While you sleep, your body is in deep repair mode. Garlic enhances this regenerative window, helping to restore cellular health, improve skin elasticity, support brain function, and even delay cognitive decline. It's not just anti-aging, it's active aging, the kind where you look good, feel sharp, and stay vibrant well into your golden years. A simple clove at night might just be your most affordable anti-aging secret. Garlic and sleep, a natural nighttime relaxant. Struggling to fall asleep? Or waking up feeling unrested? Garlic might seem like an unlikely sleep aid, but this little clove holds more nighttime secrets than you'd expect. Rich in magnesium and zinc, two minerals essential for quality sleep, garlic helps calm the nervous system and support the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. But there's more. Compounds like allicin have been shown to reduce cortisol levels, your stress hormone, making it easier for the brain to wind down and drift into deep, restorative sleep. Even its scent may play a role. Garlic contains compounds that relax smooth muscles and open up nasal passages, which can improve breathing during sleep, especially for people who snore or have mild sleep apnea. And when eaten at night, garlic works alongside your body's natural repair system, helping reduce inflammation and promote cellular healing while you rest. Think of it as a warm internal hug for your body and brain, calming, cleansing, and preparing you for a more peaceful slumber. So instead of reaching for sleeping pills, a small clove of garlic might be the natural ritual your body's been waiting for. Garlic and cancer protection. The clove with anti-cancer clout. Garlic's ability to help prevent cancer is one of its most profound and scientifically backed benefits. Rich in organosulfur compounds, like allicin, diallyl disulfide, and agene. Garlic helps the body combat carcinogens before they can do damage. These compounds have been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, cancer cell death, and block the formation of tumors in various organs, including the stomach, colon, liver, and prostate. According to the National Cancer Institute, populations with high garlic intake tend to have lower cancer rates, particularly gastrointestinal cancers. A 2022 review in the Journal of Cancer Prevention found that garlic extract not only reduced cancer risk, but also enhanced the effectiveness of certain chemotherapy drugs. The secret lies in garlic's ability to boost detox enzymes in the liver, suppress DNA mutations, and reduce chronic inflammation, all key triggers in cancer development. And when eaten at night, garlic has time to deeply engage in cellular detox and repair processes that happen during sleep. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a powerful line of defense that works silently in your system, strengthening your body's natural ability to fight cancer from the inside out. Garlic and blood sugar, a natural ally for diabetics and pre-diabetics. If you're battling high blood sugar or managing diabetes, garlic might be one of the most overlooked tools in your wellness arsenal. Studies have shown that garlic, particularly when consumed regularly, helps regulate glucose metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity, two key pillars in keeping blood sugar levels stable. The magic lies in its sulfur compounds, especially allicin and acetylcysteine, which support the pancreas in producing insulin and help cells absorb glucose more efficiently. A 2020 clinical review in Frontiers in Pharmacology concluded that garlic supplementation significantly lowered fasting blood glucose and HbA1c levels in people with type 2 diabetes. And here's why taking garlic at night can be even more impactful. During sleep, your body isn't processing meals or snacks. Instead, it's maintaining your baseline blood sugar level. Garlic steps in to help stabilize those levels through the night, reducing the risk of overnight spikes or morning crashes. This means better sleep, fewer sugar cravings, and improved energy the next day. Whether you're pre-diabetic, diabetic, or just concerned about metabolic health, garlic works silently while you rest, supporting your blood sugar balance and protecting you from the long-term damage that excess glucose can cause. One clove, countless benefits. Let garlic work while you sleep. So there you have it. One humble clove packed with power. From lowering blood pressure, boosting immunity, and aiding digestion to fighting inflammation, balancing hormones, and even defending against cancer, garlic isn't just a kitchen staple. It's nature's overnight healer, working silently while you sleep to restore, repair, and protect your body from the inside out. What's truly incredible is that something so simple, so accessible, can have such a profound impact on your long-term health. No hype, no gimmicks, just centuries of wisdom backed by modern science, reminding us that sometimes the most powerful medicine grows right in our garden or sits quietly on our shelf. If you haven't already, consider making garlic part of your nightly ritual. Your future self will thank you. Sleep well, heal deeply, and let garlic do the rest. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content.